Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to trace the back bodice using the front bodice we just made. If you've not watched my previous video, try and watch it and follow up. So as you can see, I've already traced out 2 inches for my zip allowance or button allowance. Anyone you choose to put is basically your style. Then what you need to do is to place your front bodice to your back pattern and trace out. Basically, the front bodice is usually made first for some styles, for some basic styles, so that with it you can trace out your back bodice. The next thing to do is to use your ruler to trace the measurement lines to the back bodice pattern. Then you move down your front bodice ½ inch below to mark out your neckline, which is at 4 inches as we did in my previous video. Then you can keep the front bodice aside and complete your measurement line tracing. You do this to make sure that your measurement corresponds with the front bodice. Now we are inserting our dart, which we made at 4 inches for our front bodice. We are also doing that for the back bodice. Then from the shoulder down, you measure out 8 inches, and that is where your dart line will be starting. Then you mark your 4-inch dart. Then you connect your dart line. Remember, in the front bodice we had 12 inches from the shoulder down for our dart line, but here it is 8 inches. This is to eliminate the gapping at the upper back of your bodice. Then you put your tape across the dart line and equally mark out ½ inch across the dart line, which is 1 inch in all. Then you complete your dart tracing. Here you're not lifting off the dart measurement to the outer seam because you've already done it to the front bodice. But if you're marking your back bodice separately, you will need to do that. Then the next thing to do is to insert the neckline measurement, which is basically styling. You can choose to increase or decrease, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm leaving it at 2 inches. Then I'm trying to complete the tracing of the armhole as we did for the front bodice. Make sure you watch my next video to find out how to manipulate these patterns to make a sleeveless dress and how to sew down your shoulder line slantly to avoid gapping at the shoulder line. Then I'm tracing and completing the lines as we have it in the front bodice here. Don't forget to curve your bottom part of your bodice. So guys, this is it. Complete the side seam tracing. Then you're done. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.